Hi, I'm Yasmin. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a hanger for a wire wreath frame. You'll need a wire wreath frame, wire that is 20 gauge or less, wire cutters, and pliers. You'll note that there is a beveled side and a flat side. It doesn't matter which side you use. We're going to start at one of the 6 vertical bars to anchor our wire. Take your wire, weave it from the top in between each ring, pulling along the way. It's not going to be smooth, just keep pulling as you go down. When you get to the bottom, leave about 4 inches. Then you'll loop that 4-inch piece behind and weave back up. Once you get to the top, twist the excess wire around the extended wire at the top. At this point, you still haven't cut anything yet. Use your pliers to pinch in the wire at the top of your twist if it's sticking out. Next, round out the length of the loop you want as your hanger. We can't go to the next vertical bar to use as an anchor because then your hanger would be way too wide. To measure before we cut, bring the wire down to the bottom ring and then loop it back up with about 4 inches extra. And then you can cut the wire. So after you cut it, this is what it looks like. Now that it's measured, stretch it out and we'll finish making the hanger. Make your loop again at the top, that will be your hanger. Just like you did before, weave the wire in between each ring going down. But this time, make sure you don't pull too hard or else you'll lose your hanger. The wire is so thick that I use my pliers to help pull it in between the rings. When you reach the bottom, just make sure your loop at the top is the length that you want it to be, smoothing out any wrinkles. Now, weave the wire back up in between each ring. You might need to use your pliers to help pull it through. Here, you'll notice that as I go up in between each ring, I am also twisting the wire around the wire I brought down, using that as an anchor. When you get to the top, twist the excess wire onto your loop. Doing this reinforces the hanger and also it makes it look pretty. Use your pliers to pinch in the end of your twist so that nothing sharp is sticking out. And there you have a nice sturdy hanger for the beautiful wreath you're about to make. Thanks so much for watching.